Welcome back to your new favorite roofing channel with Rome Bailey, aka the Rome, the Bald Roofer. So short today, something I want to go over that gets discussed a lot in Georgia because it's actually a code item. So it's one of two code items that whenever we're putting on a new roof usually gets added. Reason being, something called drip edge is this 2x4 piece of metal. This is 26 gauge steel, so this is what we put on. Has only been code in Georgia for about 12 years. Somewhere around 2012 to 2014 is where they decided to make this code in Georgia. So typically any roof replacement where you're installing something older than that is now getting this added to it. I'll put a picture up just to show you what it looks like, kind of a before and after, because there's something called a rake on a roof where this is all you're gonna see is this 2-inch face. While it goes on the whole perimeter of the roof, you're not gonna see it around the gutters because it's gonna be concealed. This is your plywood, it sits on top, gets nailed down from the top, and then it's gonna protect from that wind-driven rain. It's also gonna keep a nice straight edge underneath those shingles, so now you're not seeing that installation where your shingles are hanging 3 to 4 inches over the edge. They start to sag over time to try and protect it. Now there's no need to do that. You go by manufacturer specs and you only have an 1.25 inch overhang. Keeps a nice clean edge. So when people are at the door, you're doing your research and they bring up drip edge, this is what they're talking about. Thanks guys.